I like that. What's up, how's it going? I hope that you're having a wonderful day. I don't mean to stir up a panic, I don't mean to scare you away. Please don't let me give you a reason to think that you should be afraid. But this is the way that I preach. Y'all give me the mic, I got something to say, something to write. So I drew the line, got saved by the gospel, rightly divide. I study the word to each of its time, been given discernment. I see the lies, yeah, I see the truth to which I was blind. Father, I thank you, you opened my eyes, showed me the way, took me for a ride, taught me a lesson. I thought I was fine, but I used to be an atheist, thinking I was on a ball in space. I really thought that I knew it all, that we evolved and we came from apes. The government was looking out for us all, in Hollywood it was a wonderful place. I used to want to be an astronaut, and then I learned all the world's a stage. Now I pray. Yeah, I really thought that I knew it all, that we evolved and we came from apes. Now I pray. Yeah. Yeah, the only thing you really need is the truth, nowhere to go to even find a way. So I'm gonna pray. Ain't signing a deal, ain't selling my soul, I'm keeping it real, I'm keeping it G. Jesus, take the wheel, move into the forest and I disappear. Up into the mountains, get weird, grow a beard. I'm done with the circus, the curtains reveal the truth that was closer than it would appear. Clowns do never do, look in the mirror. Yeah, I'm gonna pray, don't care what they say. Me, I'm gonna pray when they make it illegal. Yeah, I'm gonna pray and preach it the gospel so we can walk through the eye of the needle. Yeah, I'm gonna pray. I know when I speak that you listen to every word that I say. Father, I'm gonna pray. Don't care if they laugh, don't care if they come and they take me away. Cause I used to be an atheist, thinking I was on a ball in space.
Do it without.
I really thought that I knew it all, that we evolved and we came from apes. That maybe I could end up going to Mars and everything it would fall into place.
Who's ready to go to Mars?
I used to rap about the devil and cuss, but now I rap about Jesus' grace. Yeah, I pray. Yeah. Yeah, I really thought that I knew it all, that we evolved and we came from apes. Now I pray. Yeah, yeah, the only thing you really need is the truth, nowhere to go to even find a way. So I'm gonna pray. Shoot thyself approved, to not be ashamed, the word and the truth, and rightly divide it. What I'm gonna do, you do what you want, cause I'm gonna too. 1 + 1 is 2, sicky chicken soup. The truth that is simple, don't get it confused. I know I'm a sinner, not saying I'm perfect, but dog, I promise they lying to you. Theory's a fact, now do what they say it goes. Don't you ask a thing, don't you say a word. Don't have you a thought or opinion that doesn't all go with the scheme. And go into space, it doesn't exist. I'm sorry that they ever sold us the dream. I'm sorry that I gotta ruin the fun. It is what it is, my conscience is clean. And I used to be an atheist, thinking I was on a ball in space.
We choose to go to the moon.
I really thought that I knew it all, that we evolved and we came from apes. And Neil deGrasse was a wonderful guy, and gravity had kept us all in place. Heaven and earth is gonna pass away, but the word will remain the same. That's why I pray. Yeah. Really thought that I knew it all, that we evolved and we came from apes. Now I pray. Yeah. The only thing you really need is the truth, nowhere to go to even find a way. So I'm gonna pray.
No, it's not. At that height, you don't see the curvature of the earth. If you are 2 millimeters above this beach ball, you just don't. That stuff is flat. That stuff is flat.
And I'm just playing, Neil. You know I love you.